Hey guys, today we will be unboxing some Miniso TWS earphones. It's made by Miniso. So as you can see, Miniso and Miniso again. On the side, it has long operation time with a comfortable fit touch control, and these are TWS earphones, whatever the hell that means. They were for rupees 1099. So for the foreigners, calculate how much that is in dollars. So yes, let's unbox them now. I'll keep it on. Okay. So it's one of those packages with the wrap, the outer wrap, as you can see. So let's open that wrap. I'll have to spin it. Well, okay. Let's open it from the side. Well, I have got a stand. As you can see, this is a phone stand, but my microphone will be out. So hope it's good enough for you guys. So here we go. Well, this is the wrap. So let's put the wrap away. But these are the earphones. As you can see, they look beautiful, and I hope they sound beautiful too. So now let's open it. Yeah, okay, let's open it. My God. Well, not a very satisfying opening, I must say so myself. Good thing. Ooh. Well, so they're actually really small. I thought it would be bigger, like about this size. They're actually really small. So I'll just show you. This is the box. You can keep that aside for now. Put it like here. This is the box, and under this it's like the old iPhone packages. So yeah, and under this is the USB to USB-C cable, and a user manual. Well guys, if this background noise, I apologize for that. This is it here. Yeah, that's the only way to take it out. Like good as new. Just well, I guess it looks good. I hope. Let's open it. There we go. Well, time to open it. I think you guys already saw a glimpse of it. Let's open it. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Well, this does look really nice. Ooh. Well. Ooh. It turned on. Let me fit it. Let me see if they fit in my ear, because that's like the most important thing. Well, guys, I'm happy to say they do fit. My first earphones that actually fit me. Well, but on the sad note, I think that's it for the unboxing. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Well, if you guys want to see the cleanup, you can. I'll also just unwrap this USB-C cable. There we go. This is an instruction manual. Music playback time 4 hours. Charging time 1.5 hours. Charging case battery 200 milliamp hours. Transmission distance 10 meters. So Type C earphone battery 30 milliamp hours. Take the earbud that put the earbuds into the charging case. Auto pairing. Oh my god. Function. Play, pause. Tap the right or left touch panel. Next track. Double click the right earbud. Previous track. Double click the left earbud. Answer call / hang up. Tap the right or left earbud. Reject calls. Long press the right or left earbud. Volume up. Long press the right earbud. Volume down. Long press the left earbud. Oh, caution. Yeah. So, I think that summarizes the video. Put this back. So put the cylinder back, and this back too, and this back. Also put this back too, because why not? Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. This is the actual end of the video. Bye.